Hello students and welcome to the School of Health Sciences. My name is Dr. Esther Mutuku, who is the current Dean of the School of Health Sciences. I wish to welcome you to Machakos University and to the School of Health Sciences. Congratulations for having been found a chance to join us in this school. Our school is currently the youngest of the schools within the university, and it's only one department, the Department of Public and Community Health, which is headed by Ms. Consolata Wall. We are a team of 6 dedicated lecturers, and we have 3 programs within the school: Bachelor of Public Health, the BSc Population Health, and BSc Foods, Nutrition and Diet. Currently, we have a population of around 7 students. As I have said before, we are among the youngest school, and that's why our student population is still a bit low, and you are coming in to join us and make the school grow. A lot of you are asking what is public health. Within the admission process, I had a lot of questions from students asking what is public health. So in basic, public health is concerned with ensuring that there are adequate public health infrastructure within the country. We also help promote health communities and health behaviors within the communities. We also help in prevention of the spread of communicable diseases and other types of diseases in the communities. We also help in protecting against environmental health hazards and prepare for and respond to emergencies. Just like the current emergency that we had of COVID-19, then we come in handy to be able to prepare and be able to respond to such emergencies. Once you have done a BSc in public health, then you become a qualified public health officer. What are the responsibilities of public health officer? One is that you are there to help to enhance the community health within the community, within the family, and the households that you are coming from. We will also help to recognize the health risks within the communities, develop tools to address behavioral causes of diseases, because most of diseases are just behavioral factors, direct or control prevention programs that have been put in by the government or even the county governments to control disease, assess the effectiveness of health intervention programs that have been put in place, recognize groups that are at a threat for specific preventable diseases, carry out epidemiological research of acute and even chronic diseases, and also prepare precautionary health reports. So where do you work as a PHO? Where once you are done with your degree, we have several places that you can be placed as a PHO. One of the most common one is the Ministry of Health, which engages most of the POs, and they usually work in the hospitals to be able to do disease surveillance and the things that we just outlined. Food processing plants also take in a lot of public health officers. We have public health officers in the law courts that help in determining cases that are to do with public health issues. We have public health officers in healthcare insurance organizations, non-governmental organizations. You can also go into academia, do a diploma in teaching and go into academia. In border control or entry points, or what we call the frontier borders, we have a lot of public health officers ensuring that whatever is coming in the country then meets the regulations that have been put by the government. You can also go into consultancy, and also you can be self-employed as a public health officer. A lot of you are asking, can you advance your studies after a public health degree? Yes, you can be able. We have a lot of available master's programs, and among them, we have Master of Public Health Management, MPH, and you specialize in infectious diseases, or you specialize in disaster management, tropical diseases, sexual and reproductive health, health economics and policy, public health leadership, among many others. The master's program, then you find that you pick a line and you are able to specialize in a particular line within the public health issues. However, these master's programs are not available in the Machakos University, but you can find them in other universities. As I said, we are still a small school and we are growing. With time, then we can be able to mount our master's programs. There are specific things that you will be, or we will expect you to do as a school. I'm sure you have gone through in other forums, and as a school, we expect you to attend all classes. Class attendance is mandatory, and in every class, then we register attendance of the students that are in the class. And you must be able to meet 75% of the classes for you to be allowed to do the examinations. We grade our courses by continuous assessment tests that take 30 marks and examinations that are 70 marks, a total of 100%. This course is regulated by FOTEC. FOTEC is the Public Health Officers and Technicians Council, and this requires the students to register with the body. Within the course of your study, we'll be able to take you through the registration and facilitate the registration with the body. So once you are done with your course, then you can be a certified public health officer by this regulatory body. Within the course, we have 2 attachment or internship sessions, one after your 2nd year and one after your 3rd year, to be able to expose you to public health out there. You can be able to defer studies if you have issues, maybe of fees or anything that has come up, then we allow you to defer your studies. You'll be able to get more information from the school. Every semester, we expect that you register all your units, and this registration is done online. And also, inter-school transfers are also allowed. In case that you feel that you must be transferred, then you can also reach out to my office, then we'll be able to tell you what the procedure and what to do for you to be able to transfer to another school. Then the matriculation oath. This oath spells certain out ethos and rules of intellectual engagement that will guide you as a student within your time here in the university. So I'm going to read it, and you read it together with me, and insert your name at the place that we say insert. So I, insert your name, swear to engage in the pursuit of knowledge and uphold the name of School of Health Sciences of Machakos University. I swear to adhere to the rules and regulations governing students' conduct at Machakos University in accordance with Machakos University statutes. I swear to promote the mission of the School of Health Sciences through active participation in its academic programs. Thank you, and enjoy your stay in Machakos. Should you have any questions, then you can be able to direct them to my office, and you'll be able to find ways to help you solve the problems that you have. Thank you, and welcome.